We're going to find out whether this solves all of our dye migration issues. And we're starting right now. Let's see what we can do about fixing our dye migration issue. I have a fresh new set of shirts here. We had to reorder them. And I got some Wilflex Armor Gray underbase. Hopefully this will do the trick. My understanding that this stuff here has some carbon in it that helps block dye migration. And it's a low cure ink, so let's see how it works out. On the money, first time around. Got a little bit of a pinhole here. Yeah, a spot that's hard to get to. But looks like we're good to go. At this point, I'm going to let this go around and do a little bit of a test print. I might do a couple just to be sure I've got all of my pinholes taken care of. We had a new potential client come in, so I stopped filming for a second, but I did let it run around. Everything's looking great, so I'm gonna send it around one more time just to make sure we're good on pinholes, and we should be good for production. Got my shirt moved down. I'm just going to, if you can see the screen, I know we got a little bit of glare. Gonna run off a sample real quick. So there goes our gray armor base going down. Then we are flashing it to about 190 degrees for about 3 seconds. I might speed that up as production goes on. And then it's going to go all the way around. I like to keep my stations with ink as close to me as possible so I can keep an eye on them. So the shirt is coming around. Here we are with our white, hitting it a couple times. And there we go, looks pretty good. Don't really see many pinholes, if any. There is one kind of right there. It's hard to tell sometimes with lint. I think we're good to go. We have the fronts all completed. Now we need to do the back, and I must say it looks that much better with this armor base by Wilflex. So let's go ahead and run off the back and see how that comes out. Well, we got that order all finished up, and the armor underbase has definitely made a difference. Don't you think so, Shannon? But it has made a huge difference. It did stop the dye migration altogether, so that is pretty awesome. Nothing is turning out pink like it did the last time. So thumbs up, Wilflex. Something to note, I did have my flash set to 195 degrees, so I kept it kind of low, used that as a white base, and then we had a second screen for the white, and that seemed to work great. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it helps some of you out there with dye migration issues. Be sure to take a look at that. This is not paid by any way. I just think Wilflex has some really great ink. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.